What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jordan Stamina. Wow, it's been a while. What's going on everybody? Hope everyone's blessed. Hope everything is great. It's been a while since I've made a video, so everyone's wondering what the hell has been going on with this channel. I'm gonna leave it up to you guys, but I'm just gonna say this right now. It has been a crazy ride, and I know I've done this numerous times and people are still wondering, are you still reviewing sneakers? Are you still into sneakers at all? So this video is actually called How I Got Into Sneakers. I want to let you guys know how I got into sneakers and why I started this channel in the first place. But before we get into that, please smash the subscribe button, hit the like button, and comment down below. I would love to know the reason why you guys watch YouTube in the first place. Having said that, let me tell you guys a little bit about me. So my name is Jordan Stamina. I'm from Toronto, Ontario. Obviously you can tell one of my biggest hobbies, or something that I really enjoy doing, is collecting and wearing sneakers. Now one thing's for sure, I definitely think sneakers are meant to be worn. And for those of you who like collecting and selling them, well, that's also a great option as well. For me, sneakers is like art. People's perception on art is very different from each other, and for me, I love sneakers just like someone would love a painting. For me, it's just the colors, the materials, the history behind them, and most of all, the creativity behind the silhouettes and how creative you can get in terms of styling them as well. I've bought lots of sneakers and I've sold lots of sneakers. My rotation constantly keeps changing. I always feel like I need to get the newest sneakers, but even though you guys don't see that, I've been buying sneakers like crazy. Actually, let me show you guys a couple of dunks that I've recently purchased in the span of maybe a month. So here we are, let me show you the first one. Guys, this sneaker right here is crazy. This is the FTC Nike SB Dunk, and if you guys don't know FTC, it's a skate shop. Like, this sneaker is absolutely incredible. I feel like this sneaker is definitely go up in price over time. I think it's gonna take a long time for it to skyrocket, but you can purchase the sneaker for like $500-600 Canadian right now. But I definitely think that this sneaker is really nice. Not to mention as well, they're completely DS. Man, I don't even know if I want to wear these yet. These are so not available in Canada. I personally paid $5.50 for these, but come on guys, like this sneaker right here is absolutely crazy. We've got the UNC Dunks. You can see here, I've had lots of UNC anything on this channel. You guys know me from the OG days. Shout out my boy DeLuca. He's probably gonna watch this and be like, wow, he finally dropped a new video. Check this out guys. You've got the UNC Dunks. Can't go wrong with that. Ready? Whoa. Yeah, check this out. We've got the Panda Dunk, the infamous dunk that keeps restocking like crazy. Man, like I'm getting tired of these, but I love them. I love dunks so much. And you know what's the craziest part is, ever since that I got this, I've been bored of black and white. I don't know. I like the sneaker a lot, but it's just a little too plain for me. I don't know what I'm gonna do with it. I might keep it, I might sell it. It's completely DS, but I haven't worn them yet. Boom, we've got the Game Royal highs. Now this sneaker is honestly really great. I personally like the high a little bit more than the low. I just feel like the color blocking and just the way it looks is just absolutely amazing. And this is also DS. I haven't worn this either. The last dunk I want to show you guys is the Fragment Dunk. I feel like because Travis Scott and also Fragment alone is doing really well in the industry right now, I really feel like this sneaker will go up in time. Mark my words guys, this is going to be an expensive sneaker later on, which is why I'm keeping these DS. Not sure if I'm going to hold them or sell them, but this is a really underrated sneaker. So having said that, the reason why I got into sneakers is because growing up, I used to wear a lot of skater shoes. And like, if you guys are familiar with Osiris or DC and Vans really, a lot of people would be astonished looking at me wearing Vans nowadays. I'm not gonna lie, I don't like Vans anymore, but I do appreciate how far they have come. Sometimes you just grow out of things. My style has changed so much over the years. Like I used to be super emo. I used to be very like not stylish whatsoever. But I think around in high school, I literally just started caring about what I look like. And everyone used to be like, oh look, Jordan's wearing Jordans, which is why I have a Jumpman tattoo on my foot. But for me, I don't know. Sneakers is just something I've always liked. My parents always dripped me in Nike as a kid, and ever since then I just felt like style and fashion was just something that I really enjoyed. Let me know in the comments down below. Let me know your favorite brands. Let me know your favorite shoes. I would love to get to know you guys on the channel. I think I'm going to be posting at least once a week. I'm also on a journey to shaping like my body as well, so hopefully we see a change in that. But I just wanted to make this quick little video because I want you guys to get to know me. You know, I literally post on this channel like, hey, here's a sneaker, or let's do a challenge. But like, I want you guys to actually know who I am. I want to at least do some cool videos for you guys. So if you guys have any ideas, comment it down below, because I want to take this a little bit more serious now. Life has been great, but you will only be able to see what I have been up to if you go on my Instagram at Jordan Stamina. So please give me a follow and let me know. Send me a DM as well. I'll be happy to connect with you guys. Oh, this sun is crazy. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Smash this like button, subscribe to the channel. Guys, it's Jordan Stamina, so we're about to take off. So we'll see you on the next flight. Peace.